everybody. This time I'm going to teach a new technique. Now you know the side of technique, but another way to build it is, first we are going to build again a normal domino line. Then instead of keeping two dominoes, we angle one domino here like this, and then we again keep the straight domino, and we can build how much ever we want. It is more easier to build with this technique. So we are going to keep dominoes like this. And after these are there we like this we keep an angle and domino, and then we make the domino line. If the space is not enough, you can leave that one also. If the space is not enough. But actually we should always leave one domino. So this is another technique for side off. We can do on left also and right also both. So let's stop it. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Thank you.